Welcome to the Identify experience. We would like to thank you for joining the millions of consumers that have chosen our products, and we sincerely thank you for your business. Identify point-of-care devices are utilized by hospitals, pain management physicians, drug court systems, national rehabilitation facilities, employers, and small home offices. Let's get started with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions on how to perform and interpret your Identify drug test device. In addition to the drug test device, you'll need access to a timer and a writing utensil. Begin in a well-lit place. Have a watch or timer ready. Allow the cup, the urine specimen if refrigerated, and/or controls to reach room temperature prior to testing. Remove the cup from the sealed pouch. Write the donor name or ID in the space provided. Collect specimen in the cup and secure the cap tightly. Start the timer and wait for the colored lines to appear. Read the results at 5 minutes. If a temperature strip is included with the drug test cup, please read urine temperature between 2 to 4 minutes after voiding to verify the temperature ranges between 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 to 38 degrees Celsius. Place the cup on a flat surface. Peel off the label on the cup to view the results. Date and initial the security seal, then place the security seal on the cap. Read the test results at 5 minutes. Negative test result. When visually interpreting a negative test result, one colored line appears in the control zone and another colored line appears in the test zone. The negative result indicates the drug or its metabolite level is not present or below the detectable level. Even a very faint line is a negative result. Preliminary positive test result. When interpreting a preliminary positive test result, a single colored line appears in the control region C, and no line appears in the test region T. This means the urine screen is considered to be preliminary positive. Invalid test result. A test should be considered an invalid result if no line appears or if a line appears in the test region T without a line in the control region C. An invalid test should be repeated with a new test device. Insufficient specimen volume or incorrect procedural techniques are the most likely reasons for an invalid result. If your device screens for adulterations, read the results between 2 and 5 minutes. See the color chart for interpretation. If the specimen indicates adulteration, we recommend not to interpret the drug test results and either retest the urine or collect another specimen. Adulteration testing is a key indicator in the determination of sample tampering. Identify Health offers various configurations. This video is for informational purposes only. Please refer to your package insert for detailed instructions. Thank you for taking the time to watch our how-to video. If you have further questions about our products or your results, please contact us on our website at www.identifydiagnostics.com. Thank you for choosing Identify.